Hey everyone, welcome back. Do you feel your fasting isn't boosting your energy? What if small mistakes are stopping you from tapping into the science-backed benefits of intermittent fasting? Today, we're uncovering 8 common pitfalls and sharing natural, easy fixes that have helped millions transform their health without pills or gimmicks. Ready to shed pounds, boost energy, and embrace a healthier lifestyle? Let's unlock these age-old secrets, like your grandma's trick, for safe, effective results. Let's jump in now. Trust these tips. Just a polite reminder that this video is for educational purposes only, and that you should always consult your doctor before utilizing any natural cures. Mistake 1. Overeating during your eating window. A big misconception is that fasting means you can chow down on anything once your window opens. But overindulging, even on healthy foods, can cancel out your calorie deficit and leave you feeling bloated and sluggish. Why it matters. Overeating reverses the benefits of fasting, leading to an energy crash and sabotaging your progress. Actionable tip. Try stopping when you're about 80% full. Fill your plate with lean proteins, fresh veggies, and healthy fats. This simple shift can be a real game changer for your energy levels and overall well-being. Mistake 2. Poor hydration. Sometimes the simplest remedy is the most overlooked: water. Why it matters. Dehydration can trigger headaches, fatigue, and even mess with your body's fat-burning process. Staying hydrated is one of the most natural and effective ways to keep your body running smoothly. Actionable tip: aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. Not a fan of plain water? Spice it up with herbal teas or a splash of lemon. A little sea salt can also help balance your electrolytes. Ditch the sugary drinks and let water work its magic. Mistake 3. Breaking your fast with sugar or processed foods. After fasting, your body is super sensitive to what you eat. Reaching for sugary or processed snacks might seem quick and easy, but it's a trap. Why it matters. Sugary foods cause a spike in insulin, leading to energy crashes and those pesky cravings that keep you stuck in a cycle. Actionable tip: break your fast with a balanced meal. Think protein-packed options like eggs, yogurt, or fish paired with healthy fats and veggies. This approach isn't just safe, it's a proven way to keep your energy steady and boost your health naturally. If you find this content beneficial, kindly like, subscribe, and enable notifications for ongoing nutrition updates. And I'll put some links down below in the video description. Coming back now to mistake 4, expecting instant results. One of the biggest myths is that you'll see dramatic changes overnight. Why it matters. Fasting is a powerful tool, but it's not an overnight miracle. Your body needs time to adjust and start burning fat efficiently. Actionable tip: set realistic expectations and track your progress on a weekly basis. Notice improvements like better sleep, more consistent energy, and an overall uplift in mood. Remember, consistency over at least 3 weeks is what really unlocks long-term benefits. Mistake 5. Inconsistent eating times. Your body thrives on routine, and erratic eating windows can throw your internal clock out of whack. Why it matters. Inconsistent meal times confuse your hormones and hunger signals, often leading to overeating or unnecessary cravings. Actionable tip: choose a consistent eating window and stick with it even on weekends. Establishing a steady routine not only helps regulate your hunger, but also makes it easier to maintain your fasting schedule, boosting your energy in a natural, balanced way. Mistake 6. Not getting enough sleep. Sleep isn't just downtime, it's essential for recharging both your body and your fasting efforts. Why it matters. Skimping on sleep ramps up hunger hormones and makes you more prone to cravings for sugary or unhealthy foods. Lack of quality sleep can leave you feeling tired and unfocused, undermining your fasting routine. Actionable tip: Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Develop a calming bedtime routine. Turn off screens, sip on a cup of herbal tea, and let your body wind down naturally. This simple practice is a life-changing trick for maintaining energy levels. Mistake 7. Stress and boredom eating. Even with the best intentions, stress and boredom can lead to unnecessary snacking. Why it matters. Emotional eating adds extra calories that disrupt your fasting cycle and can create a cycle of cravings and guilt. Actionable tip. When you feel the urge to snack, try distracting yourself with a brisk walk, diving into a hobby, or even journaling your feelings. These natural remedies are safe and effective ways to stay on track without giving in to unhealthy habits. Mistake 8. Skipping essential nutrients. Fasting isn't only about cutting calories, it's about fueling your body with the right nutrients. Why it matters. Missing out on key nutrients like protein, fiber, and healthy fats can leave you drained and prevent you from reaping the full benefits of your fast. Actionable tip. Plan your meals ahead of time to ensure every bite counts. Each meal should be balanced and nutrient-rich. Think of it as giving your body a science-backed recipe for success, one that boosts your energy and leaves you feeling amazing naturally. Get involved. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever struggled with any of these fasting mistakes? What challenges have you faced on your fasting journey, and how did you overcome them? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't miss this fasting recap, your key to supercharged energy. Let's review the key takeaways from today's video. Overeat less. Stop at 80% full and choose nutrient-dense foods. Hydrate. Aim for 68 glasses of water or herbal teas daily. Smart fast breaking. Break your fast with balanced meals, not sugary or processed foods. Patience pays off. Track progress weekly and give your body time to adjust. Stick to a routine. Keep a consistent eating window to regulate your hunger. Prioritize sleep. Get 78 hours of quality rest each night. Manage cravings. Use natural remedies to overcome stress and boredom eating. Plan for nutrients. Ensure every meal is packed with the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. By avoiding these common fasting mistakes and embracing these simple natural strategies, you're setting yourself up for success. So, give these tips a try and get ready to boost your energy and feel amazing naturally. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a life-changing tip. If you're as passionate about nutrition and its benefits as I am, don't miss out. Tap the screen here to embark on a journey through the world of nutrition and discover how it can enhance your health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey to 8 life-changing fasting mistakes. Embrace health, celebrate life,